Have you ever seen a loop inside another loop and wondered why do we need two loops? Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand nested loops with one simple real life example and an easy Python program. A nested loop means a loop inside another loop. The outer loop runs first, and every time it runs once, the inner loop runs completely. Let's understand this with a real life example. Imagine you are visiting a shopping mall with 3 floors. Each floor has 4 shops. You first go to floor 1 and visit all 4 shops. Only after visiting every shop on floor 1, you move to floor 2, where you again visit all 4 shops. Finally, you go to floor 3 and visit all 4 shops. Here, floors represent the outer loop and shops represent the inner loop. So, for every floor, you visit all the shops before moving to the next floor. This is exactly how a nested loop works. Let's convert this into Python program. Let's understand the code line by line. The first line is for floor in range 1, 4. This is the outer loop. Range 1, 4 generates the value 1, 2, and 3. So the outer loop runs 3 times, representing the 3 floors. Now look at the second loop for shop in range 1, 5. This is the inner loop. Range 1, 5 generates 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it runs 4 times, representing the 4 shops on each floor. This print line prints the shop number. Notice that this line is indented inside the inner loop. So it executes every time the inner loop runs. Let's see what actually happens. The outer loop starts with floor 1. Now the inner loop begins and prints shop 1, shop 2, shop 3, and shop 4. Only after all 4 shops are printed, the outer loop continue to floor 2. Again, the inner loop starts from beginning and prints shop 1 to shop 4. The same process repeats for floor 3. So remember this important rule. For every one iteration of the outer loop, the inner loop executes completely. Let's run the code. Here is the output. I hope nested loops are much clearer now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly Python tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.